Hello everyone. In this video, we'll provide the training course for AWS certificate for Generative AI Developer Professional. So in this video, we'll focus on Amazon Bedrock, where Amazon Bedrock actually is the main service, a fully managed platform for accessing foundation models from various providers. You get models from Amazon like Titan, Nova, from Anthropic like Claude, AI 21 Labs, like Jurassic, Cohere, and Meta, like Llama, Mistral AI, Stability AI, different provider you can see on Amazon Bedrock. Rather than managing the infrastructure or dealing with model hosting yourself, you just call API for the foundation model in Amazon Bedrock. The key thing about Amazon Bedrock is that it is serverless. You are not spinning up instances or managing capacity. You invoke a model, get a response, and pay for what you use. For production workloads with predictable traffic, you can buy provisioned throughput to guarantee capacity and get better pricing. Amazon Bedrock supports both synchronous and streaming responses. Synchronous is straightforward. Send a prompt, wait for the complete response. But in streaming gives an incremental responses as they are generated, which is quite useful for chat interfaces where you want to show text appearing in real time rather than making user wait for the entire response. Amazon Bedrock, you can fine tune models with your own data, so this is not always necessary. Fine tuning makes sense when you need the model to understand domain-specific terminology, like in the medical field, or follow particular patterns that are not well represented in the base model's training data. It is more expensive and time-consuming than prompt engineering, so you would typically try prompt engineering first for cost basis. So next we'll talk about Amazon Bedrock agents. Amazon Bedrock includes managed agent builder that lets you create agents through the console or API. This is what most people mean when they say Bedrock agents. It's a capability within Amazon Bedrock, not a separate service, where you can configure agents by defining action groups, which are collection of tools the agents can use or call. Each action group maps to a Lambda function or API endpoint. You define the actions like create booking, get booking, cancel booking, and their parameters, and the agent decide when to call them. And another part of Bedrock agents, knowledge bases for RAG. You can attach one or more knowledge bases to your agents, and it will automatically query them when it needs information from the knowledge bases. And another part of Bedrock agents is you provide instructions, natural language description of what the agent should do and how it should behave. This is the agent system prompts. And final part of Bedrock agents is guardrails to prevent unwanted behavior, filter harmful content, or block a specific topic, which is very important component of Amazon Bedrock agents. Actually, Amazon Bedrock agents orchestration happens automatically. When the user sends a request, the agents break it down, decide which tools to use, call those tools, and synthesizes the results. You don't write the orchestration logic. The Fusion model handles handle it based on your configuration. Amazon Bedrock agents include basic memory also for conversation history up to 365 days configurable and handles the prompt engineering for tool selection. It's quite good for straightforward agent use cases where you want the managed experience. The key limitation is that you are not working within Bedrock agents model. You configure rather than code. If you need more control, custom frameworks, or advanced capabilities, you can use Amazon Bedrock Agent Core services directly, which we'll talk about later. In the exam, you will see Bedrock agents. It is not separately listed in the exam scope, but it is documented as Bedrock capability. You should understand what it does and when it used. But the exam will likely focus more on agent core, which is explicitly in this scope for the exam for agent-related questions. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, you can comment on this video. I hope you liked this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can see more videos on this training course. Thank you guys.